So this is our storm chasing vehicle. It's a 2006 Hummer H3. We haven't done a whole lot of modifications to it yet. In about a week or so, our truck's actually going into the shop in Winnipeg to Extreme Coatings, and they are doing a full coating of Reflex bed liner on it, which will help protect us in severe hail and strong winds. Just by putting kind of a protective coating against the body of the vehicle, we'll be less susceptible to dents and scratches, stuff like that.